In today's video, I'm going to show you how to query Claude the right way so you can get clearer, faster, and more useful answers from your prompts. Whether you're using Claude for writing, research, brainstorming, summaries, or everyday questions, this simple process will help you get better results in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Claude and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main interface where you can start a new conversation. If you already have an existing chat open, you can use that too, but for a fresh query, it's usually best to start a new chat so your request stays organized and focused. Next, click to start a new chat. This gives you a clean space to type your question or instruction without mixing it up with older messages. Now, look for the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type your query. You can ask Claude a direct question, give it a task, or request a specific format. For example, you might type something like, "Explain how solar panels work in simple terms," if you want an easy-to-understand explanation. Or you could type, "Summarize this PDF in 5 bullet points," if you want a short, structured response. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful Claude's answer is likely to be. After typing your message, press Enter to send the query. Claude will process your request and generate a response based on what you asked. While it's responding, pay attention to how it structures the answer, because that can help you understand how to improve your next prompt. Once the response appears, review it carefully, read through the answer, and see whether it matches what you wanted. If the response is too broad, too short, or missing key details, that's completely normal. This is where follow-up questions become really powerful. Instead of starting over, you can ask Claude to refine the answer, expand on a point, simplify the language, or change the tone. For example, you could say, "Can you make that shorter?" Or "Can you explain that with an example?" Or even, "Rewrite that for a beginner." This back and forth is one of the best ways to get better results from Claude. You can also guide Claude by adding context. If you're asking it to summarize something, mention the length you want, the audience, or the style. If you want help writing, tell it what kind of tone you need. If you want analysis, ask for a comparison, a list, or a step-by-step breakdown. The key is to be clear and intentional with your query. Here's a simple workflow you can follow every time. Open Claude, start a new chat, type your prompt, press Enter, review the response, and then use follow-up questions to improve it. That's the easiest way to get more accurate and more helpful results without wasting time. And if you're just getting started, try simple prompts first before moving on to more advanced ones. The more you practice, the better you'll become at asking Claude exactly what you need. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI guides, productivity tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.